Have you ever walked into your vegetable garden and found leaves full of holes, plants suddenly wilting, fruits covered with tiny insects, or tomatoes mysteriously disappearing overnight? The frustrating part is that these pests often attack at night while you're sleeping, and by the time you notice the damage, they may have already destroyed weeks or even months of hard work. In today's video, I'll show you the 5 most common summer garden pests that attack vegetable gardens, how to identify them early, what attracts them, the damage they cause, and most importantly, how to stop them naturally before they ruin your harvest. And be sure to stay till the end because I'll share one simple garden practice that helps prevent almost all of these pests naturally. Let's get started. Cucumber beetles are small yellow beetles with either black spots or stripes. They may look harmless, but they are among the most destructive pests in summer garden. They chew holes in leaves, flowers, and fruits. Young seedlings can be completely destroyed. They ate parts of the skin and flesh of this pumpkin and made a unique artwork out of it. Even worse, cucumber beetles can spread bacterial wilt, a disease that causes plants to suddenly collapse and die. They get attracted to cucumbers, melons, squash, pumpkins, and other cucurbit plants. Use floating row covers to protect seedlings early in the season. Remove weeds around garden beds and rotate crops every year. Spray neem oil weekly. Encourage natural predators in your garden such as ladybugs, which will eat both eggs and adult beetles. Handpick beetles in the morning when they are sluggish. Healthy plants tolerate damage better, so maintain consistent watering and add compost regularly. Aphids are tiny soft-bodied insects that multiply incredibly fast. They suck up sap from plants, causing curled leaves, stunted growth, yellowing foliage, and reduced harvests. They also produce sticky substance called honeydew that attracts ants and promotes mold growth. Tender new growth and excessive nitrogen fertilizer attracts them. Avoid over-fertilizing, encourage beneficial insects, inspect plants weekly to prevent aphids. One of the easiest remedies is a strong blast of water from a garden hose to control them. You can also use neem oil spray or insecticidal soap spray. Plant flowers like marigolds, dill, alyssum, and zinnias to attract ladybugs and lacewings, which are natural aphid predators. If you're finding tomatoes, melons, peppers, or cucumbers with large bites taken out of them overnight, rats may be the culprit. Rats eat ripening fruits, chew stems, damage irrigation lines, and contaminate produce. Dense vegetation, standing water, and the smell of composting kitchen scraps, fallen fruits, birdseed, and pet food attract rats and mice. Harvest fruits as soon as they ripen. Keep the garden clean and remove hiding places such as wood piles and overgrown shrubs and weeds. In order to control them naturally, you can use traps around the garden perimeter, encourage natural predators such as owls, and protect your crop with plastic containers to prevent access. Natural deterrents such as chopped peppermint or peppermint oil soaked cotton balls may also help discourage rat activity in some areas in the garden. If your pumpkin or squash plant looks perfectly healthy one day and completely wilted the next, squash vine borers are often the reason. The larvae tunnel inside stems and feed from within, blocking water flow and causing sudden collapse. Squash, zucchini, pumpkins, and other vine crops attract squash vine borers. Look for wilted leaves, small holes in the stems, sawdust-like material called frass. To prevent, you can try wrapping the lower stems with aluminum foil in case of squash plants. This method does not work very well for vertically grown pumpkin vines. Annual crop rotation is another method to prevent vine borers to some extent. If you spot the entry hole early, insert a metal wire or thin stick into the hole in the stem to kill or remove larvae, and then cover it with soil to protect the stem. If you grow pumpkins, squash, or zucchini, squash bugs can quickly become one of the most frustrating pests in your summer garden. Squash bugs use their piercing, sucking mouthparts to feed on plant sap. Their feeding causes leaves to develop yellow speckles that eventually turn brown and crispy. Heavy infestations can cause plants to wilt, weaken, and produce fewer fruits. Unlike vine borers, which attack from inside the stem, squash bugs damage plants from outside by continuously feeding on leaves and stems. They are attracted to squash, zucchini, pumpkins, and gourds. They especially love gardens with dense foliage, plant debris, and places where they can hide during the day. As a preventive measure, check undersides of leaves daily for bronze or copper colored egg clusters. Remove old plant debris and weeds, and rotate squash family crops each year. For natural control, handpick adult bugs and nymphs early in the morning when they are less active. Scrape off and destroy egg clusters before they hatch. Neem oil can help control young nymphs, although it's less effective against adults. The key to winning the battle against squash bugs is early detection. Inspect leaves regularly, especially on the undersides, and remove eggs before they hatch. A few minutes of inspection each day can prevent hundreds of squash bugs from taking over your plants later in the season. Here's the good news. The best defense against nearly every garden pest is a healthy, diverse garden ecosystem. Plant flowers that attract beneficial insects, keep your garden clean, inspect plants regularly, and act quickly when you see the first signs of damage. Remember, successful gardeners don't eliminate every pest. They manage them before they become a problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more organic gardening tips, and let me know in comments which pest causes the most trouble in your garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next garden update.